Hey guys, Ryan here. So I have a product with me that I would have never thought would exist. This is Bebird AuriCare Note5 Pro, a high-end personal care product, and this multi-purpose device can be used for inspection, cleaning, and remote diagnosis of ears. When it comes to ear hygiene, it never crossed my mind how pretty much every one of us, usually very carelessly, tries to clean our ears. And it turns out not only using other traditional methods cannot properly clean the ears, but also cause implications. So, for example, when you use these other methods, you might in fact push the earwax deeper inside. It might also cause infections, and every year many people end up with ear injuries as a result of this. But the Bebird AuriCare Note5 Pro solves this problem in the most clever way as a smart visual ear cleaner. Let's get started with unboxing this kit. The packaging has been done very well. In the box you're going to find a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, the user manual, what's called an observation hood, a few soft swabs for cleaning the lens or ear tips, and of course the actual Bebird Note5 Pro and what seems like a base, but it's more than that. If you rotate the base like this, you're going to find a bunch of different ear tips for different purposes. So that's pretty cool. If you take a look at the actual device now, its design is so good that you could put it on a shelf as a decorative item. So the bottom half and top half have this glossy look, and in the middle it's a soft touch material that gives you a good and safe grip while inspecting or cleaning, so it won't slip. And at the bottom there's a USB-C charging plug, and the battery life is 90 minutes, which is good enough for using the device multiple times. So how does it turn on? Well, if you pull out the cap, then it instantly turns on. So as you can see, there's already a silicone ear tip included on the device, and there's a lens or camera which is surrounded by these LED lights, and its diameter is only 4.5 millimeters. That's how small it is. And this other green flashing light indicates that the device isn't connected to the app yet. And as soon as it does, the blinking stops. But the interesting thing is that if you pull out the silicone ear tip, you're going to get yourself tweezers. And the way it works is like this. You press this rubbery part and hold, and then pull out the ear tip. Then you let go and the tweezers will automatically open. They're also rubber coated without any sharp edges to prevent any harm to the ear canal. They could also be used for plucking ear hair if they're in the way of cleaning. And by the way, the cap is magnetic, so you wouldn't have to worry about dropping it. So this personal healthcare device has three main features: a visual otoscope, tweezers function, and remote sharing video. But you need to have the app to use all these features, right? So you can install the app on both iOS and Android, and its name is Bebird. Now let's talk about the visual otoscope for the purpose of inspection and cleaning. To do this, once you connect to the device, just stay in the clean mode and select either left or right ear. Now I'm going to demo this with my fist as if it's my ear, and as you can see, just like a doctor, I can see deep inside what's going on. And the great thing about this device is that it has a 3-axis electronic gyroscope to ensure image steadiness. So again, this device isn't necessarily only for cleaning, but you can also just inspect your ears. In fact, you could even use this device to inspect your teeth and nose. So it's very versatile. The second feature of the Bebird Note5 Pro is its tweezers function. I mean, obviously I don't need to tell you what you could do with a pair of tweezers, but imagine doing all those things in a smart and less dangerous way, especially when it comes to your ears. You also don't need to apply too much pressure like regular tweezers, so that's great. But the third and most important feature of this device is its remote examination feature that allows your doctor to remotely diagnose the problem. And it's fairly easy to do that as well. All you need to do is put on the observation hood and select sharing mode and log in to get an invitation link. Then you need to send that link to your doctor. This is honestly a game-changing feature because remote examinations are being adopted faster than you think. Another great feature is that you can take pictures and even record videos of your inspections. I mean, I inspected my teeth and took both pictures and videos to review later. Just make sure it's clean if you want to inspect your teeth. And they could also be sent to your doctor. But I mean, you could even order this device for your pets. So again, it's really versatile. And just like we wear smartwatches to track our health and fitness, having other health gadgets like the Bebird AuriCare Note5 Pro as a personal care product at home is more than ever essential. So I highly recommend this product, and you can check out the link in the description to order one. See you in the next one, guys.